Hi, I'm Mitchell with Zero Access Tools, here to show you how to use your new vehicle access kit. Now let's get into how to make the space needed to access the inside of your vehicle with our long reach tool. First, we have our kit, as I've said before, comes with 3 non-marring wedges, manual wedges, one of which doubles as a pry bar. I don't recommend using these if you don't have to. While they are non-marring and made of a soft, smooth plastic, there is an increased chance that you're going to damage your vehicle via scratching if you apply too much pressure. Also, if they are in the cracks of your vehicle when you open the door, they're going to fall and there's a chance it could ding your vehicle. So they're there if you need them, but I'd always advise using the air wedges if you have that option, which you usually should. I have not run across a situation yet where these have not gotten me into the vehicle yet. Now I'm going to show you the best way to get into your vehicle. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your first medium-sized airbag and you're going to just slide it in and utilize that rigid, flexible insert. Just slide it right in the crack, tighten it up, and I usually put it on the vertical side over here. Then you inflate it. On some vehicles that have tighter seals, you may have to put it in the corner and inflate it from there to get the initial crack showing, and then you can take your next air wedge and put it in the side. And then after you get that open like this, then you take this one from up here and put it over here. Or if you really want to, you can use the third one, the larger one, to do that as well. So once you have the crack started there, you're going to take your next one and you're going to slide it right in here like that. Make sure the seal is closed, and you're going to pump that up. And you don't want to overinflate it. You really just need enough room for your long reach tool to fit through the crack that you made. So once you have enough room, you're going to take your long reach tool, stick it through the crack, and I'm going to loop the handle in this case, and you're going to see how easy this is. I've already looped it. And then pull. And then your door is open. So it really is that easy. Our long reach tool does come with an extension piece if you need it. If you're trying to get into a semi or through another window side and you need to reach across the car. But in most cases you won't need this. These are sufficient enough, just the first 2 pieces. I would like to know if your vehicle has frameless windows, a special wedge is required to get into those vehicles, and it is not included with our kit. So if your vehicle has frameless windows, don't use our kit, you can damage your vehicle. Please note, if you are using the long reach tool to press either the automatic or the manual lock button, the difficulty of this will vary based on the type of lock that you have. Ultimately, I would always recommend that you first try to loop the keys, and if that is not an option, you try to hook the handle, because those 2 options are by far the easiest and most reliable options of getting into your vehicle. If you do have a vertical lock, you're going to be using our knob grabber tool, and the way this works is it has 2 ends. On one end you got the lasso, and on the other end you can control that lasso. And what you're going to do is stick it in the vehicle, and we're going to pretend this is the knob. lasso the knob on the top, tighten at this end, and pull, just like that. Lastly, I wanted to thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. I'm going to leave a link back to our product in the description below. If you would like to share your thoughts in the review section, that would be greatly appreciated. We are a growing business and your input means a lot. Again, thank you for your purchase and have a great day.